Yeah, I use a negative RR. The method behind my strategy is my first trade of the day is 200 for 500. If that trade wins, I add that $200 of profit to my $500 SL, and my next trade will be 200 for 700. If that trade wins, I add that 200 to my SL, and my next trade will be 200 to 900. That's why I'm able to string together large win streaks. Before I just took that
Order filled.
on a 14 trade win streak. So boom, there we go. That's trade number 2. Let's go. We got $800, 800 more dollars to go until we are past. So about 4 more trades, and there we go. My SL for this next trade is going to be 900. That was a 7. My first trade on gold was 500. The trade that I just took was 700. So now this third trade is going to be 900. Topstep doesn't. A lot of other prop firms wouldn't allow the way that I trade. Like Apex doesn't allow this trading method because they're gonna say that my risk reward is too negative. That's what they're gonna say. But really, they just know that the strategy works, and they don't want everybody using it because then they go bankrupt because everybody's getting a whole lot of payouts. So I think as from what I know, the only company that allows my trading method is Topstep. I think Take Profit lets you do this too, but I know a lot of companies won't let you trade like this. So shout out to Topstep for letting me trade my actual fucking strategy. Yeah, a lot of companies won't let you use a negative RR. Yeah. No trailing drawdowns, man, because that's their method of not letting you use a negative RR. Exactly, man. We just getting base hits, bro. We're not going for no home runs. Like they want us out here trying to do 1 to 3s and shit, bro. Like who's finna sit here and go for a 1 to 3 every day, bro? Come on, be for real. Most of the people who trade 1 to 3s every day lose every day. Like let's keep it a band. All these people using these high risk reward trades. And if y'all notice, if y'all go on YouTube and y'all see these people doing these high risk reward trade breakdowns, they always back testing. They'll never show you they'll never show you a live 1 to 3 hit. They always on Trading View back testing, talking about some. This the trade I took today. You ain't take that trade today, bro. Bro, I be getting 1 to 10s, but my stop loss be less than a pip. Okay, so you super. Oh, so that explains your scalping strategy, which is, I mean, that's valid. That's a valid strategy because it's like if you're a sniper, then you're a sniper. So I see how that can work. You got to really be sniping though to hit trades like that, and most people ain't sniping like that. All right, let's get some likes back in the live. We had 15 likes in the last lives. A lot of we lost like 15 viewers after that reset. Yeah, all the snipers in the chat, we call him Nick Irvin. All the snipers in the chat, Nick Irvin, man, Nick Irvin. Like for example, a nice sniper entry would have been that 1 hour close that we had seen earlier. Right with 1 minute left on that 1 hour close, odds are there's gonna be heavy volume trying to get that 1 hour to close below the resistance. So that would be a nice snipe right there. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not trying to diss everybody that trades with a positive RR. I used to trade 1-to-1s and 1-to-2s, and uh I was making money sometimes. It's just whatever works for you. But I would tell you there are people on YouTube who will act like they take 1-to-3s every day, but in actuality, all they do is backtest. Like for you to be trading 1-to-2s and 1-to-3s, you have to first of all you have to have a nice strategy. Like I know Doyle trades 1-to-1s, sometimes 1-to-2s with strong supply and demands. Like you have to have a lot of confluences. Like you have to have a supply and demand confluence with a support and resistance confluence. Maybe during a high volatile time like New York Open, then boom, you can easily hit some 1-to-2s, 1-to-3s. But if you're not having multiple confluences, the odds of you hitting um, 1-to-2, 1-to-3 RRs, it's not going to be consistent enough for you to make money in the long term. Yeah, man, it's all about your psychology at the end of the day. All about the psychology. Yeah. You have to be able to identify a high probability setup and a low probability setup. My psychology when it came to those 1-to-2s, 1-to-Rs is I would lose my losing streaks would just ruin my mental, bro. Like if I'm coming to the charts, like I would wait all day. I'm waiting all day to trade. I go to the markets. I take a 1-to-3 SL smash, or oh my god, it really break my heart when that mug will go to 1-to-2 RR and then reverse all the way back, and then I say, okay, next trade I'm gonna do a 1-to-2 instead of 1-to-3. That trade goes 1-to-1 RR and then shoots all the way back. Man, I was just out of there. I said, man, I'm not doing this no more. And I did that for like 2 years straight. I tried that 1-to-2, 1-to-3 RR stuff for like 2 years straight, man, and it just was not working for me. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. Yeah, it do be like that. 14 people in here, man. Let's get 7 likes. So three more likes. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Yeah, man, that's what it's all about. Sticking, but that's also part of the psychology, part of the trading plan. You know, you know, if you only take A plus setups, you'll be more profitable. But when you're so eager to trade, it's like, man, when you're so eager to trade, those B plus setups start looking like A plus. You feel me? Though that C plus setup might start looking a little A plus when you get too bored. Until you lose the trade and then you go back and look and you're like, man, that was a bad setup. Why did I take that? Yep. If trust me, man, this trading shit is like a video game. If everybody traded the same way, all they do is they patch it. If everybody trade consolidation, they just patch it. And all of a sudden everybody consolidation trades would just start failing. How many streaks do you do a day? Um Typically my plan going into the day is I hop on NQ with the intentions of going 5-0. If I go 5-0 on NQ, I'm done for the day. If I lose on NQ, like how I did today, I switch to gold and I try to go 5-0 on gold. That's how I do it. We almost had 40. We almost had 40 viewers before that reset, man. It's all good though. They'll be back on the next. They'll be back on the next live. God has been moving crazy today. Let me check. I mean, we've been in a pretty solid uptrend. No, I see. Well, this goes back to December. Uh oh, yeah. In terms of from Thursday to today, looks like it's forming a head and shoulders, forming a little bit of support. It looks like it's still trying to keep pushing up. Honestly, do I know about gold's corrections? Nah, what you mean? Yeah, gold and dollar correlate. So I used to take correlating trades. Free money. Why not? A lot of some platforms don't even allow you to do correlation trades. Mm. Yeah, hedge. Yeah. Yeah, usually all pairs go through some form of correction. Gold typically does it a little more aggressively than others. it makes sense. Yeah, man. When I was trading FX, I used to trade gold all the time, bro. Monster, bro. Monster. Especially New York. Oh my goodness. Better be prepared. Oh yeah. It's looking like gold is on some trending stuff right now, though. It's not really trying to give us a setup. Yeah, man, I stay away from silver. I remember I took a trade on silver, man. The spread was so huge, bro. Never did it again. Ridiculous spread. Spread is the difference between your actual entry and where your broker actually enters you at. So say I'll show you. So spread is like say if I wanted to hop in a trade right here. Boom, I place my entry. I place my TP right. You think you got in right here, but like on a pair like silver, it's gonna say your entry is like fucking right here. So when you enter, you gonna already be in fucking huge amounts of a drawdown off the rip. Off the rip, you're gonna be in drawdown. Yeah, I mean, I've know it Topstep will give you a little spread. Topstep will give you a little spread for sure. But they won't say it, they won't say it's a spread. They'll say it's a slip. They'll just say they slipped your entry. But really, they spreaded your eye. Pause. Yeah, pause, bro. Pause, pause. Silver good for 8 p.m. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, so this is a pretty long. We're going for four more, man. Four more. Trying to pass the combine today. If we take another L, if we take an L on gold, we're just gonna be done for the day, though. Letting y'all know that right now. So so the outline of this live stream now is we're either gonna win four in a row or we're gonna lose, and then we're just gonna call it a day and come back Monday. Yeah, I recommend everybody back test, and you gotta back test correctly. Back test like you actually live trading. Make sure you're keeping track of the times that you trade. Like if you trade London session, you shouldn't be unless you're trying to move to a different session. Like if you trade New York, you shouldn't be doing back test sessions in London. It's not gonna be the same when you trade live. Yeah. Oh, you might be talking to Eli. I don't know if you're talking to Eli, you're talking to me, but as far as I go, I pretty much do everything on the 1 minute. All right. We got to set up. Mm. Yeah. Yeah, I enter on the one. I enter on the one and I look for my zones on the one as well. The only time I check a higher time frame is when I'm already in the trade and I'm just trying to see what's actually going on. But I don't like to look at the higher time frames before I enter because then I'll start taking in too much information. I'll start overthinking and it'll cause me to hesitate on my entry. When in actuality, man, if the trade is gonna hit, the trade's gonna hit. If it's gonna lose, it's gonna lose. We are. It's 5 a.m. So the longer we go, is the closer we get into New York. Y'all know how New York get pre-New York. Ugh. Hopefully, uh, what does gold pay you per tick? I think 100. I don't know. I mean, I do two contracts and I do two contracts and uh, I have 20 tick TPs and I make $200. So I guess it's $10 a tick there. One contract would be $10 a tick. Two contracts is $20 a tick. I think I did that math right. It's looking bad for NQ. I'll tap in real quick after the close of this candle. It almost broke out, but it didn't quite. If this candle holds, then I'll be in. Yeah. Yeah, that trade would have lost. I'm glad I got out. Nah, for real, bro. In Egypt, man, he turned up. Real soon, though, man. Real soon. I'm traveling this year for sure. For sure. 10 seconds and we're gonna have an entry. 5, 4, 3, 2. All right, I'm in. The SL on this trade is 900. Now, this isn't the last trade of the day. If we lose, this is the last trade of the day. But if we win, I believe we're gonna have maybe three more. I'm going. Uh, more of the story to make it simple. If we lose, I'm done, and if we don't lose, I'm going till this combine is passed. Simple as that. I just realized that my camera just cut off. Man, this stream is just messing up. I'm gonna have to get a new laptop. All right, I'm gonna wait till this. I'm gonna wait till this trade is finished, and then I'll try to fix it.
Order filled.
All right, there we go. All right, man. I might have to reset the live again, but hold on. I'm not gonna do it just yet. I'm gonna see if I can get my camera to come back on. Uh, I'm back. I'm back. Y'all still in here? Y'all still in here? Y'all can see me? Bet. All right, so right now our account is at 52,440. So three more, man, three more. This has been a long live stream. For those who was here and y'all seen what we was going through on NQ. This has not been an easy day. It's a real deal, been a real deal grind today, but we got three more in this combine this past. Long ass live stream. I want to pass before pre New York and all that extra start going on, but it is what it is. I don't know if both y'all are already in the Discord, but if not, man, y'all might as well join the Discord, man. Mm-hmm. 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 Appreciate it. All right, we got to set up. What you mean your strat? Mhm. Shout out to Rail, just join the Discord. Oh shit. All right, 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. All right, I'm in. This trade we're at 900, I believe. $900 SL. I think Q was cooking you, bro. Hey, know when to get out, bro. Know when to get out. Strat remind me. Strat remind me of this strat called PO3, where they wait for manipulation, which is consolidation, then displacement, which is the impulsive move. Yeah, makes sense. Sounds similar. Sounds similar for sure. Sometimes with this strategy, you don't get the impulsive move though. Sometimes it just creeps its way to the TP. But it's no doubt I'm not the only person who trades fucking consolidation zones. Like I say, I can really the consolidation zones isn't my strategy. Everybody knows about consolidation zones. The only thing that comes into play where I'd say is unique to me is the way that I manage my risk. But I'm not the one who created it, but I'll be the one to popularize it, to say the least. I'm still trying to figure out the benefit of the negative RR and letting your stop loss get hit. That's a big move against you to the downside. The benefit of the negative RR is what allows us to have to go on high win streaks, because typically during consolidation trades, you're gonna once you enter your once price breaks out of a consolidation zone, typically it wants to retrace back into that zone. So if you have a tight SL and you're trading consolidation, you're just gonna be getting stopped out a lot. You know what I'm saying? And the purpose of me having a big SL, you gotta think, okay, my SL is 900, right? But I come to the market prepared to lose 500. Technically, if I take a loss, although the stop loss says 900, I'm still only losing that original 500 that I came to the markets prepared to lose, because I'm only risking profits that I made today. You see what I'm saying? I'm only risking profits, and and your profits are never it's never your money until the trading day is over. So basically, I come to the markets prepared to lose 500, and every single win I take, I just add that money to my SL. And at the end of the day, after I complete the 5 trade win streak, I'll be up $1,000. You know what I'm saying? So although my trade, although my trade by trade RR looks bad, my daily RR is still a 1-to-1 because I stop after I lose 1,000 and I stop after I make 1,000. It's just the risk reward in between looks off. Exactly. So like my RR obviously per trade looks terrible, but at the end of the day, if I lose $1,000, I'm gonna stop. You know what I'm saying? That's like saying so think about it like this. If I was to come to the markets and I'd have $100 TP and $1,000 SL, and if I won 10 trades in a row, I'd be up $1,000 and I'd stop. Technically, technically my risk reward for that day was a 1-to-1. If I come to the markets with $100 TP and $1,000 SL and that first trade loses, I lock my account out and I'm just down 1,000. But if I come to the markets and I win 10 trades in a row because my SL is so big and my TP is so tight, which gives me a higher chance of actually being able to win 10 in a row. Yeah, that end of yeah, my trade by trade risk reward is terrible, but the daily risk reward is still the same. So it's just a unique way of going about it. If it fits your psychology, implement it. If it doesn't, hey, do whatever fits, do whatever works for you. This is just what I found works for me. Exactly. I would rather have a like yeah, it's people they don't teach you this. Nobody teaches risk reward this way. So when they first see it, it looks off to them because I'm breaking literally the number one rule of trading is positive RR. But if you really think about it, it makes perfect sense. Cause what's cause I promise you, everybody in this chat can go on a 10 trade win streak if you have 100 pip TP and $1,000 SL. It's not hard. But the discipline comes in is after you take that first L, you got to stop because if you try to do it again and again, that's when your risk reward starts to. That's when your daily risk reward gets negative. I'll never have a negative daily risk reward. Like that's stupid. But my trade per trade basis, I don't give a fuck. Exactly. Exactly. I rarely lose. I rarely lose. Meanwhile, when I was doing 1-to-2s and 1-to-3s, it would feel like every time I come to the charts, I lose, man. And if you like me, if I can't stick to a strategy in which I'm losing. You know what I'm saying? If I'm losing, if I'm trading a strategy and I keep fucking losing, I'm just gonna be strategy hopping all day. So I had to find some way to where I could trade a strategy and win enough times to get me to stick with it over the long run. Exactly, bro. So after you lose enough trades from having a tight SL, you'll come to the same conclusion. I gotta have a big ass SL if you want to win in this game. This is how the banks trade. The banks just hop in with no SL and they just simply wait until they shit hit profit and then boom, there you go. Because they have unlimited capital. So they don't the banks never lose a trade because they have unlimited fucking capital. They'll just hold, which is essentially what I'm doing, except the retail version. Yeah. Just try it out. You know what I'm saying? Try it out on some. Just try it out back testing, or try it out, on a little demo account. Just see how it works. You still do have to have a strategy that's. Uh, you still have to have a high win rate strategy, though. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to try this with a strategy that's not because you have to have for this strategy to work. You have to at least have like an 80% win rate. Like while this trade is going, like while this on, I'll show y'all my performance stats. Like for this strategy to work, you got to at least have like an 80% win rate. You see what I'm saying? Or like it because if you start If you start dropping down to like 70% win rate, then you're probably going to be negative. So you gotta have like at least a 85% win rate. And to be honest, my win rate is higher than this 80% here because um a couple of these trades was just like a little break even trade. But yeah, I'm about to try it right now. The only thing is I'm not trading consolidation breakouts. I'm not sure the name of it. Uh yeah, bro. As long as it's a high win rate strategy, it doesn't matter. You could do this same thing with supply and demand. Don't matter. I try SMC. Yeah, that'll do it. Yeah, because what you're gonna find is, and this is the key thing. This is the best thing that you'll get from this way of managing risk is confidence. Because imagine, I just want y'all to know that when you're able to string together a five trade win streak, your confidence is going to be through the roof. You're not going to want to change strategies. You're not going to want to break your trading rules because every time you come to the market, it just seemed like you win. It seemed like you win every single time. So your confidence is going to shoot through the roof. I know a lot of people who trade struggle with confidence, which is why they move SLs and do all types of uh, common mistakes. But if you come to the markets and you're going on 5, 10 trade win streaks, dude, you're gonna feel like Warren Buffett at the end of the day, regardless if you have a big ass SL or not. All you know is every time you take a trade, the hell go green. Exactly. Dog, I went up. Dog, I went up from 900 before I started trading. Lost the whole 900, then made it back. I started crashing out, man. It happens to the best of us, bro. Happens to the best of us. So if this trade hits, like literally, if this trade hits, my SL is gonna get even bigger. So if this trade hit, my next trade, I'm gonna have a $1,100 SL. You know what I'm saying? So as you see, it gets like the more trades you win, the higher your win streak can go because eventually it's gonna get to the point to where your SL is so goddamn big. It's like, damn, you're gonna feel like you can never lose, but you still want to have that cap that keeps you in check because it's easy to get greedy. Like we was back testing last Saturday, and I went on a 20 trade win streak. By time I hit 20, dude, my SL was literally off the screen. Like my SL was literally off the screen. It was damn near no way I could lose. I wouldn't do that on a live account because I'm content with making 1,000 a day. But if I wanted to, I could try to go for 2,000, 3,000. You would just have to be okay with the risk of losing all that money on one trade because you got greedy. All right, here we go. Account is now at 52,634. Two more trades and we'll be funded, boys. Like I said, next trade will be $1,100 SL. A good thing we switched to gold because y'all know how Nas was, bro. Wasn't looking too good. Gold might be the one that get it done today. I start trading at 3 a.m. I used to start 3 a.m. Central Time. I used to start trading at 2, but the volume wasn't as good, so I moved it to 3 a.m. So yeah, I usually start at 3 a.m. sharp, and it just goes until I'm done. Really, most of my streams usually last 3 hours, but this has been a bit of an exception because I believe we was on a three trade. We might have been like on a three trade win streak on Nas before we took that L. So that kind of added to the length because I had to restart my win streak over with gold. So yeah, two more trades and we'll be funded. Hopefully both of them win. No, I got a partner that trade NY though. So he be in the chat sometimes. He go by CB. He tried the same strategy. Same strategy. Except he just trades NY. And what I can tell you about NY is if you do trade NY, don't trade New York open. Wait till like 10 a.m. at least. So you don't get blindsided by news and stuff like that. And if you trade NY, like y'all see how some of my trades hit pretty quickly. If you trade on NY, bro, your TP is gonna be getting smashed in like 5 seconds, bro. Literally 5 seconds in and out, over and over again. A lot of people want me to trade NY. Maybe later on in this year I will, but as of right now, I'm just sticking to what works. This is London session. What we're trading right now is London session. New York doesn't start until 8:30 Eastern or 8:30 my time. I think it's 9:30 Eastern. Yeah, early. Shout out to the 15 people in the stream. Our stream crashed earlier. We had about 40 viewers, and we was like 2.5 hours in. So this is just we just reset it. You know, whoever joined back is the people who joined back. Literally, $1,000 before people alarm clocks even go off. Literally make $1,000 before people alarm clocks go off, and then you can wake up and then start making some more money and whatever else you do. You know. All right, I'm gonna buy your course. I don't have a course right now. I don't have like I just started. I just hopped on the YouTube scene. I just started taking YouTube serious literally like last week. So I don't have a course. I don't have any memberships. I don't have anything. I don't have anything to sell. All I have is the only thing I'm selling as of right now. I have a free Discord, and the only thing I'm selling is my and I'm only selling this for $10. So if anybody wants my exact step-by-step trading plan and everything I do, this is what it looks like. You know what I'm saying? It tell you everything you need to know. I even got picture examples of the exact setups that I take. So that's the only thing that I have for this is the only thing that I have for sale, and that's just for $10. So uh, I do have a lot of people asking me to teach them, one-on-one sessions and stuff like that. But as of right now, I'm not really getting into it. I'm just just live streaming. New zone. Let's check it out. Yep. See what we got. All right, two more trades and then we pass. Let's see if this one. Let's see if we can get a easy one. See if we can get an easy one. Broke 1.1K on the funded. Was super sloppy, but it's done. Hey, shit, at least you got it done, bro. Took like 9 trades. Hey, we call that getting bailed out, bro. You got bailed out, but don't make it a habit. Don't make it a habit. Money you didn't earn will be returned. That's what's up. That's what's up. Yeah, it's I mean it's for beginners. It's literally what I use, but I mean if I might really have to make a course because I understand I understand how much really um is involved with trading. Because now that I'm thinking about it, I mean maybe I'm using some vocabulary in my trading plan that you won't understand. I don't know what level of a trader that you are, but I mean I make it pretty simple. I'd say it's pretty simple. I'm pretty sure you'd be able to figure it out. And if you can't figure it out, you could just send me a message on Discord and I'll answer you. I'll answer your question. Speaking of, I'll send the link to Discord again in the chat. We are almost at 50 members in the Discord. Clap it up for everybody in the Discord. Almost at 50 members. Thank you. Thank you. Shout out Sheen of Legends. Just joined the Discord. I get an entry. Just send me a well. This what I just send me if you have a Discord. I'll send you a message on Discord because I don't have a website yet because I'm finna I will I will be getting a website developed sooner or later. But as of now, I ain't even gonna lie. People just send me money to my PayPal. When you send it, leave a message uh, of your name so I know that it came from you. And then I'll send you the file. Send me your name. Send me your when you send the 10, put your name and your email, and then I'll send you the PDF to your email. But yeah, I'll be getting a website developed sooner or later. Yeah, I trade every morning at 3 a.m. And when you type your name, since I know you, I only know your YouTube name, obviously. So type your YouTube name. Yeah, man, you gotta, hey, bro. They want to see that you can do it at least 2 days in a row. So I mean, you hit that 1,500, just call it a day. Make another 1,500 on Monday, bro. They just want to see that you can. They just want to see. They basically just trying to discourage people who just trade news and just get lucky, hit every now and then. But if you can do it once, you can do it twice, man. Quick little tip, since the opportunity just showed. If you ever have a zone marked out and you see another zone form inside of that zone before your entry becomes available, I typically just ignore it. If you have two zones inside of one another, always take the bigger zone because that's the one that will give you a higher chance of winning. Bet. My name on Discord. Let me see. I think it's Topstep Drake, but I'll make sure. Oh, I got your message. Bet. All right, send me put your email. Send me your email in Discord, and I'll send you the file. Yeah, gold is moving way smoother than NQ was earlier. I went ahead and took your place. Yeah, man, we got 2 more trades until the account is passed, bro. It's been a long trading session, man. I'm ready to get out of here just like you are, bro. I'm ready to get out of here, man. 2 more trades and the account is passed, bro. We're currently this is the we're on a 4 trade win streak right now. I think we're at $1,100 SL. So yeah, 2 more trades, man, and we're gonna be funded, and we're gonna be trading a lot of funded next week. Hopefully, I don't want to jinx it, man. Hopefully, we can just get 2 easy gold trades to finish this account off, bro. That's all we can hope for right now. All right. Get him, son. Get him, son. I sent you the PDF file of my trading plan. Appreciate the $10. Appreciate the $10 dono. Yep, yep. Ooh, tanking. Hold on. Ugh. Shout out to the 14 people still in the live, and super shout out to the people who's been in even before our live crashed. Before we had around 40 viewers in our live before it crashed. How much more do I need to pass? Actually, I don't even think our last trade of the day is even gonna need to be $200. Let me see. I'm at 634. So yeah, we need about $370 to pass and we'll be good. So our next trade, so if this next trade hits, our last trade of the day really only needs to be for like 170. So that should make that trade that much more easier. I'm finna use the restroom real quick. I hope it doesn't break out the zone while I'm gone. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and set an alert. Right on time. Uh, the um, the TP for this trade is 1100. I mean, the SL for this trade is 1100. Mm-mm. As y'all can see, once you get a big enough win streak, man, your SL not even on the screen anymore. Almost like you're not losing. It's not even on the screen anymore, man. Two more wins, bro. Two more wins. Come on. Do me right, go. Do me right. Two more, two more, two more. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. We are approaching pre-New York, so I'd love to be out of the markets before pre-New York hit, because it ain't no telling, bro. New York session starting at $1,100 SL could get hit real quick. So we are, so you know, it's a little bit of a time constraint, but If we do have to end up going into New York, I mean, it just is what it is. Gold is moving way better than NASDAQ. Way better. Come on, let's get there, gold. Let's get there. One more little volume push. One more volume push. Not in that direction. This chart is only available on Topstep X. So to get this chart, you have to go to topstep.com and buy a 50K account challenge. And yeah. If you but if you want to view this chart, you could also go to tradingview.com. After you search up tradingview.com, you go to the chart setting, and then you go over here and you want to type in GC1. Click the one that says COMEX, and then your chart will look like this. Well, your chart will look like this after you add this indicator. Yeah, it definitely pushed, bro, just in the wrong direction, man. Let's switch it up. We're definitely about to get some more volume in the market in the next hour. $21 people in here. Let's get 10 likes. We got 5 right now.
Order filled.
There we go. Come on. Let's go, boys. One more. One more. Let's do it. Let's do it. One more. Come on. Let's go. Hey, and actually, back, the zone that it just broke out of is actually a trade zone. So if this candle closes like this, we'll be in for our last trade of the day, hopefully. Come on, man. Let's get it. We're going for the pass right here. Come on. 15 seconds still close. 15 seconds still close, boys. Come on. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, come on. All right, this for the win right here. We are at a $1,300 SL right now. This for all the marbles right here.
Order
There we
filled.
go. We are now funded. Let's get some claps in the chat, man. Let's get some claps in the chat. We are now funded traders. Let's go. Just like that. 4 days. Let's get some claps. Let's get some claps in the chat, man. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We will be going live on our funded account. We're starting we're starting 2025 off right, man. Monday morning, 3 a.m. We will be trading funded. But what I like to do is when I get a funded account, I like to buy another combine account. I'm going to link the two, and I'm going to be trading on my combine because I trade combine with a way easier psychology than I trade my fundeds. So you see how that works. So on my combine, so I'm gonna get another combine. I'm gonna pass that one, and when I pass that combine, I'll be up 3K. I'll already be up 3K on my funded because they'll be linked. So by the time I pass my next combine, I'll have a $1,500 payout ready. And then after I pass that second one, guess what? I'm gonna buy a third one, and we're just gonna keep rotating them, and then hopefully we can end up getting max allocated. By the time we get max allocated, we'll be looking to make almost. I mean, we could be talking about 5 to 10K a month just off Topstep. 5 to 10K a month. Let's go, man. Let's go. We did it. We did it. We did it. Appreciate you, Don. Appreciate you, RJ. Appreciate you, get them, son. Yeah, anybody can get a Topstep account. It only costs $50. Speaking of, I'll go ahead and show y'all my Topstep. This day that we just traded won't be available. It won't because it doesn't update till the end of the trading day. But I will show y'all what my account does do. What my account looks like right now. A lot of y'all seen me from day zero on this account. A lot of y'all see me from day zero. So I'm just here to show y'all it's possible, bro. I know it's a lot of people that haven't been funded before. Just stick to the plan, stay consistent, and you'll get it, bro. The game isn't rigged. You just have to be, one of the best to be able to get there. You got to be able to control your emotions. Shout out, love from Canada. Bro, good thing I cut that trade, bro. That was a good decision, man. Go. Why trade choppy NQ? I gotta start picking up on that sooner, man. If NQ is choppy, just go ahead, switch to gold, bro. No point in trading choppy, and it's gonna be the same thing for gold. If gold is choppy, bro, just go ahead and move to NQ, bro. No point in trading choppy markets, bro. No point. No point. No point. No point. So this is what my shit. So this is what my Topstep account looks like right now. As y'all can see, it says I'm not at 3K yet because this day hasn't been added. It hasn't been added yet, but yeah, check. You know what I'm saying? And that's all it is, man. Just like that. Steady growth. 85% win rate, average winning trade 172. This is just proof that it's possible, bro. It's 100% possible. 100% possible. My win rate on gold is 71. My win rate on NQ is 85. So NQ is usually my bread and butter. It was just choppy today, bro. It was just choppy. I'll show y'all some of the trades I took. Boom, this is my performance history. There we go, man. We did it. We did it. We are now funded. Funded with Topstep. In 4 days. This took us 4 days. Keep in mind, this took us 4 days. And keep in mind, I did this during holiday season, bro. This is no cap. This is no cap. I started this account on the 30th. We went through, for those, some of y'all was in them lives, bro. We was trading New Year's Eve. Y'all seen how choppy the markets was New Year's Eve. We still traded that shit. You know what I'm saying? Y'all seen me. Y'all seen me how I cut that L, that NQL, bro. Y'all seen how I was 1 pip from SL. Y'all seen me 1 pip from TP. Y'all seen all the stuff that happens to y'all happens to me too. I promise. It happens to me too, bro. Same stuff happens to me, bro. I get those 1 pip rejections. I get those 1 pip SLs. I get those wickouts, man. I get those choppy markets. All that, bro. We all trading the same markets, bro. Just gotta stick to your plan, man. Just gotta stick to your plan. So I'll quickly show some more of these stats quick. Look at I just want y'all to see this how y'all 1, 2, 3, 4 trading days, no cap. But I just want y'all to look at my trade history, bro. Look at the discipline. I just want y'all to look at the discipline in my trade history real quick. If y'all trade history, well, I mean, I know everybody trades different, but if y'all can't find any sort of consistency in y'all trading history, there's something you're doing wrong. Y'all need to have at least consistent L's or consistent wins. Something has to be consistent in order for you to take it to that next level, bro. You can't come to the markets and trade different every day. You have to trade the same way, the same strat at the same time with the same type of emotional control every single day. If you can do that, you can pass, bro. If you can do that, you can pass, bro. So yeah, I'll scroll through some of these trades real quick. So we went on to pass the challenge, man. We just went on a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We just went on a 6 straight win streak to pass the challenge. And before we took that L, we was on a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This was a break-even trade. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So before we took this L, we was already on a 16 trade win streak. We took that L, we bounced back, same mentality. And y'all seen the only reason we took this L is just because NQ was just choppy, bro. NQ was just choppy. Like sometimes it's not even the strategy. That's what y'all gotta realize, bro. Sometimes when y'all take an L, bro, it's not because of the strategy. Sometimes, bro, it's just a choppy market. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes the market conditions just isn't as good. So when that happens, dude, just take your L and switch. Just take your L and switch to a different pair, bro. Because these pairs don't move the same. If one pair not moving good, man, switch to the next one. What do I mean by choppy? What I mean by choppy is like when you enter a trade, and because as you seen on gold, you seen firsthand on gold, when I enter my trades, typically we just get some nice volume. We just get some nice volume when I enter 1, 2, 3 candle push, boom, TP smash. When markets is choppy, meaning that buyers and sellers are in a pretty good fight. You know what I'm saying? Like I like to enter my trades when it's a clear winner. Like when I was entering those buys or I was entering those sales, sellers were dominant in the market. So as soon as I entered that sale, boom, sellers just kept pushing. Meanwhile on NQ, it was a pretty indecisive day, which meaning it was basically like an equal amount of people buying as there was to selling, like at the same time. So when I was entering my trades, it would go up and it would shoot down, it would come back up again, and it would shoot back up again. And when you get into trades like that, that makes your emotions go out of control. Like if you're sitting looking at your charts and you see pullback after pullback after pullback after pullback, eventually it's gonna get to you. It's gonna wear you down. You think it won't, but it will wear you down, and you'll start moving your SL, or you'll start adding in more positions, and you're gonna look up, and all of a sudden, bro, I know my camera didn't just cut out again, bro. What the heck is going on, bro? Hold on. But yeah, yeah, that's typically what it is. So you don't want to be in the markets when it's choppy. I'll pull this. So uh, we're finally done for the day, man. Done trading. How we're gonna end the stream. I just want everybody who got any questions to ask any questions in the chat. I'm gonna drop a link to the Discord real quick, and I'm gonna quickly show y'all my, for the new people who joined that didn't see me say it earlier. I'll just show y'all my trading plan real quick, because I understand there's a lot of people that don't really truly understand exactly how I trade. So I do have a full in-depth. I don't have a course yet. I don't take one-on-ones or memberships right now. The only thing I have that I'm actually offering right now is the free Discord, these free live streams. I have educational videos on YouTube. And for people who just still want, just some more information on the strategy, I do have my actual full trading plan as a PDF file that I'll send anybody who wants it. Just $10. All you gotta do is send me $10. That's it, bro. $10, and you can have my full trading plan. And as y'all can see to the left-hand side on these tabs, I mean, it literally tells you everything you need to know, and it even gives you, some picture examples of the exact trades that I take. So yeah, if that's something you'd be interested in, man, a lot of value, a lot of value. Yeah, just hit me up on Discord, and I'll go ahead and get that to you. I don't have a website. I'm getting a website developed. So, it's a little what's the word? It's a little informal right now. You know what I'm saying? You just send me $10 on PayPal, and I'll just send you an email with the damn PDF file. It ain't nothing. No, it ain't nothing too serious. But other than that, yeah. If gold moves $1, how many ticks is that? I don't trade it now, but watching you, I might try it. Um, I'm be honest, bro. I'm one of the only people, bro. I don't even really look at price for real. Just hop in. I look for my strategy, and I set my contract sizes. So like a dollar, if it was to move a dollar, if gold moves $1, how many ticks is that? I'm gonna be honest, I don't even know. Maybe somebody in the chat knows the answer to that question, but I don't even know. I look at everything the same way. Like I'm just going for 20 ticks. All I know is 20 ticks with two contracts is $200. 20 ticks with one contract is $100. That's really how all I look at it. Uh yeah, gold is good. Gold is good. It's not my number one option, but like y'all seen today, if NQ fails, I'm going straight to gold. No hesitation, straight to gold. Straight to gold. No hesitation at all. So yeah. So yeah, and for those of you who don't know, after you do pass a Topstep challenge, it is $150 activation fee to activate that. It is $150 to how many $50 accounts did you buy to get funded? I've had a lot of $50 accounts, man. I ain't gonna lie to you, but it's all part of it's all part of your learning curve. A couple of people seen this earlier in the last live stream, but I'll show it again. Topstep actually sent me a congratulation email at the end of the year. Um, and it told me my stats and stuff for all my funded accounts. So I'll go ahead and show that real quick. Uh, so this is the email that Topstep sent me. Um, it says you've not only earned express funded accounts, but you've taken a payout. You've shown you have the skills to succeed, and now it's time to put it all together and take the next step. Use these stats to dial in on your strategy and build the discipline of a pro trader. Let's make this year you get called up to live. We want to see you hit even more goals this year. Dig into your stats and build a plan that you can stick to, and we can wait to see as far as you go. So, as some of you might know, on Topstep, there's actually 3 stages. There's actually 3 different account stages. You have your challenge phase, you have your funded phase, and then there's a third step called a live phase. And the difference between live, you get paid both on your express and your live, but the difference between the live is they give you a full $50,000 cash, like real live, like very like real. They fund you with $50,000 live capital. You see what I'm saying? So when you originally get funded, they still don't know if you're still quite that good of a trader. So they still don't fund you with $50,000 live capital, but they still do pay you from the profits that you make. But after you go X amount of after you get X amount of payouts and you've held your account for X amount of times, they say, okay, this is an actual real profitable trader. So we're gonna bump him up from an express funded account to live capital. So that's I haven't quite hit the live capital phase. That's why they're saying 2025 they want me to step it up and take it to the next level. Here goes. And wait, this not even. Oh, this not even the right email. Here we go. Here goes another. And this is the first email they sent. Uh, what they said on this one is the same thing. Yes, basically the same thing. So this is my stats for my funded accounts. So I've had 71. I total days you traded. So in term this is funded account stats. So I for 71 days I traded funded accounts. I took 722 trades. I won 43% of my winning days. And keep in mind, some of these stats are back from when I was using a different strategy. So although I was still good enough to get paid out and get paid with the strategy I was using, over time I improved it and improved it and improved it. So I'm pretty sure my 2025 wrap up is going to be, I'm going to have way better stats than this one. But it's January 3rd. We're about to see. We're jumping right into it. So yeah, my average winning trade 179. Average losing was about 350. I went on a 2-day winning streak, 1-day losing streak. My longest winning streak was 8 days. I went 8 days straight. 8 day. I had 8 winning days straight before. My biggest day was 3,000, and I received a total of 12 payouts from Topstep. You know what I'm saying? I mean, this is an email straight from Topstep. There's no cap in my route. There's a lot of these YouTubers that y'all follow and look up to. They cannot show you this. A lot of the people y'all listen to are backtest traders. They don't actually get money. But I'm telling y'all the proof right here. This is an email from Topstep. This is what they send me as my account overview. And and like I said, this is an overview from all of 2024. You know what I'm saying? Like I improved throughout the year. So my stats this year is gonna obviously be way better. I've refined my strategy. I have more emotional control and stuff like that. So yeah, those are some of my stats for Topstep. So yeah, man, we did. We finally so first funded account of 2025 is now complete. It took us 4 days. We will be trading live We will be trading on live funded Monday morning. So make sure y'all are tuned in at 3 a.m. And and as y'all know, it takes 5 days, five $200 days, 5 days of making $200 to get a payout. So mission is not done. The mission only gets harder because now we're gonna go live, and also when I get live, I'm gonna buy another combine, and I'm gonna link the two. So as you the more you progress, the higher the mental strain is going to be. So like some of y'all who think that these express accounts, some of y'all that think the combine is going to be just like when you get funded, no, it's a whole different, it's a whole different league. It's like jumping from high school to college. You know what I'm saying? It's a different level. So you have to really be dialed in if you want to get a payout for real. You got to be dialed in. But my goal is just longevity right now. You know what I'm saying? Like before like all 2024, I was just taking the first payout I could get. 2025, I'm focused on building like I'm focused on having my accounts for the whole year. You know what I'm saying? Like I used to get accounts, get a payout, blow it. Get accounts, get a payout, blow it. I'm trying to get a payout and just keep it going, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. You know what I'm saying? So I can really take it to the next level. That's my goal 2025, man. And to build the Discord community, YouTube community, really help people. Really help people. Because like I say every live, man, it's a lot of marketers. It's a lot of people that don't trade for real that y'all watch. Y'all don't even know it. Y'all probably watch these people every day and y'all probably think that they really be trading. They don't trade for real, bro. All they do is get on trading view back test and tell you these are the trades I took today. You didn't take those trades today, buddy. I could pull up I could go to trading view right now and show y'all a 1 to 3. Hop on YouTube and say I took this 1 to 3 today, and everybody just eat it up. I made look how I made $3,000 today trading this 1 to 3. that's but hey, that's the industry we in, bro. That's just the industry we in. It's a bunch of people that tried to trade, found out they wasn't good at it, and said, "Shit, fuck it. I'm just gonna hop on YouTube and just make me a course and just promote it. Go buy me a fancy car and just tell everybody I'm a good trader." You know. Meanwhile, the people that's actually locked in, the people that's actually been developing the skill set, who's actually in the reality of this trading shit, don't nobody want to watch them because uh they show losses. You know what I'm saying? You you go follow these other people, it just seems like somehow they never lose, right? They just never take a loss. Nah, bro, they just never trade. you know, but people don't really want to see the reality of this trading. People don't really want to see the reality of trading. They would just want to see, I don't know, like a lot of money, and they want to think they about to get rich quick. You're not about to get rich quick. You're actually about to get rich very slowly. Very slowly. But shit, you'll get there. So you get 6 contracts for $50 a uh exactly. People that get money don't need to sell a course. But I will say, if you actually get if you actually develop the skill set, because like me, for example, I have no intentions of making a course. But like if I'm hopping on live stream every day and I keep getting people saying, dude, do you have a course? Do you have a course? Do you have a membership? Do you do one-on-ones? Do you do this? You're gonna eventually be like, damn, do I need to make a course? You know what I'm saying? Do I need to start doing one-on-ones? You know what I'm saying? I mean, if people, I mean, like people's literally offering money, like, do you want, like, I'll pay you to do this, I'll pay you to do this. You like, I'm focused on actually trading, but I got people that actually want to learn from me. So eventually you're gonna cross that line where it's like, okay, maybe, I've been trading for like me, I've been trading for 4 years. So I'm about to cross the line where it's like I'm valid to start teaching. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm the type of guy, I don't want to start teaching until I know that what I do works. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna get up here and just start telling y'all nonsense. I got to know that it works for me first before I start teaching people. So I don't know about a course, but like I'll probably do I'll probably start doing seminars. It'll be something like this, except it'll probably be I'll probably hold it in a Discord or something like that. Like a after. Probably what I'm gonna do, and y'all can message me or type in the chat if this is something y'all be interested in. Probably I'll probably hold after my YouTube live stream. I'll probably start doing a separate webinar, a paid for webinar where we hop on a call, like a Zoom call, and we can really get personal and y'all can really tell me like what y'all are personally struggling with, like what do y'all personally need help with, and I can give y'all advice and stuff like that. But for now, we just hopping on live stream, taking some trades. If y'all got questions, just type it in the chat. But eventually, once the live actually gets, to a lot of viewers, like we're averaging around 20 to 40 viewers a day right now. But if I keep this up throughout the whole year, it's no doubt we're gonna start growing. And y'all have been showing a lot of support. Like I said, we're almost at 50 members in the Discord. I'll check right now. See where we're at. And like I said, I've only really been taking YouTube seriously for a week. So what does that tell you? It means that y'all can tell that you know that I'm not fucking a faker. 36, 6 plus 9. Yeah, we're at 45 members in the Discord right now, so that's impressive. But people that so you get 6 contracts, you get 5 contracts for $50. How many contracts did you use to get funded over these 4 days? I only used 2 contracts, bro. I can actually. That's a good question. I can actually. It actually shows that in Topstep. Um, it doesn't. Oh, it doesn't tell me my average. Well, okay. It says I took a total of 34 trades. Number of lots was 64 total, but I only used 2 contracts a trade. Every single trade y'all see me take is 2 contracts. So that's all they give you. They allow you to use 5. But me personally, I don't like to max my account out, bro. Some people use strategies where they max their contracts out. I mean, that's them. Me personally, I like to have, as y'all see, I like to have a big SL. So in order for me to have a big SL, I have to use a small contract size. But it's all personal preference. At the end of the day, you gotta do what works for you. So I want to take a look at this win rate chart real quick because this is what I was talking about a little bit earlier when I said if my trades last longer than 30 minutes, I have a 0% win rate. And as you can see, it literally tells me right here, trade count. I've had 2 trades that lasted over 30 minutes, and I have a 0% win rate on those trades. Meanwhile, as y'all can see, if the trade if the trade is under 15 seconds, 45 seconds, or a minute, 100% chance I'm going to win that trade. Nah, the total cost of getting funded is $200 because it's $50 to get the challenge account, and then after you pass the challenge account, they're gonna give you a live in it, and you have to pay $150 to activate it. So I'm gonna go ahead. So after this trading day is over, I'm gonna go ahead and pay the activation fee, which is I wish it wasn't $150 activation fee, obviously, but I mean, just do the math. I mean, you get a $500 payout, $1,000 payout. I mean, you don't make that money back, pretty easily. But like I said, my approach with this funded is I don't want to take a payout until I reach a balance of 3,000, maybe even 4,000, because how Topstep does it is they allow you to take out 50% of your account balance per payout. So if I get my account balance to 4,000 before I take out a payout, I'll be able to take a 2K payout, and I will leave 2K 2K worth of drawdown. That's been my downfall of 2024. I was taking my payouts when I only was up $1,000, so it would only leave me $500 worth of drawdown. You see how I kept losing my accounts and kept going back to challenge accounts. But this year I'm gonna do it the right way. Take it slowly and just slowly build my accounts. and hopefully the goal is to get max allocated. If we can get max allocated, we should be making around 5 to 10K a month easily, easily. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here at 7 o'clock. Bro, it's been a long live stream, man. Long live stream. I hopped on live at 2:30, bro. Literally hopped on live at 2:30. It is now 7 a.m. So, it get like that, man. It does get like that. Definitely does get like that. Yeah, so if y'all ever have any personal, damn near made it to NY, nah, for real. So like I said before, if y'all have any questions for me, um feel free to type them in the Discord in the general chat, or if it's personal, just message me personally. Yeah, damn near made it to NY, bro. Hey, but hey, got the job done, man. Got the job done. Account is passed. Oh man, I'm gonna take me a fucking nap. That's for sure. My back hurt. I've been sitting in this damn chair all day. Hell no. For those of y'all that trade NY session, CB will be going live, and he'll be trading his Topstep account as well. So for all my New York traders, who's it's damn near finna be New York now. Y'all know where to go. If y'all want to see, the strategy being executed in a similar fashion. No, I do not have a 9 to 5. Nothing against 9 to 5s though, bro. I might get one though, honestly. Why not? I really like after I'm done trading, I don't do shit but upload YouTube videos. So I'm probably gonna do I'm not even probably, I'm definitely gonna drop a YouTube video today. Another trade performance breakdown. Yeah. Might hit the gym today. Shit. If Flaccet's still on that, might hit the gym and pump out another gym vlog. We do have a Bluetooth mic now, so I know a lot of people was complaining about the last gym vlog I did. We do have a Bluetooth mic now, so we won't have those audio issues. Gonna get some good work in, man. Gonna get some good work for sure. Yeah. So with that being said, man, it's about to be 7 o'clock in less than a minute. Appreciate everybody who stayed in even after the live crash. Appreciate the people who joined after the live crash, and appreciate the people who was in before the live crash. You know what I'm saying? I'm glad y'all got to actually watch me pass an account. I know a lot of people damn near. I'm saying, oh God, I was supposed to be done by 5, but shit, Naz was bullshitting. We have to switch to gold. We have to switch to gold and start the whole win streak over. Dead ass. We have to start the whole win streak over, bro, because Naz was bullshitting. But yeah, man, shout out everybody who was in the live, man. I'm glad y'all got to see this happen. Motivate y'all, show y'all what's possible, show y'all what's out there. You know what I'm saying? I'm a regular ass person. Y'all see me taking these regular ass trades in these regular ass markets, bro. Nothing different. No cheat code. The cheat code is emotional control. That's the only cheat code there is, man. Damn, Lissette was in here since the jump. For sure. Shout out Lissette, man. Shout out Lissette. So yeah, bro. So like I said, y'all see CB in the chat. I don't know what time he's gonna start streaming specifically, but he does do New York session trades. So y'all might as well go ahead and give him a sub, turn his noties on if y'all like to trade New York and y'all like the same and y'all want to see a similar trade style. We trade basically the same way. So with That being said, I'm Top Step Drake, and I am out.